pure nature, calming beauty of water reflections I noticed when I went for a stroll near my house. The peacefulness of water and deep thinking are coming together in my mind at this point of time. Water is acting like a mirror, a looking glass, showing me the amazing and complicated world around. This view is like keys to a secret door that leads to a better understanding of ourselves. All these thoughts are coming up in my mind. Don't you think it is like a treasure chest full of ideas that calms down a busy brain and cheer up a heart looking for peace? Life is becoming more clearer and better by looking at all this. It's like a wave in a big sea of thought. It has touched my heart at this moment, and I hope and pray that it stays this way. I believe mind is like water. When disturbed, it's difficult to see. When it's calm, everything becomes clear. Calmness, more clarity. Disturbance, difficult to see. If you agree with me, if pure nature has affected you, put in comments.